How to get more Temu credits. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Temu and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Tap on You at the bottom. Scroll all the way down and head over to On Credit and Free Gifts. Well, over here you should find the option of Lucky Flip. If you have that option, then just head over to it. But if you don't have that option in this page, then what you want to do is go back and in the search bar search for Lucky Flip. Tap on Start. Now over here you need to pick a random card. Let me tap on this one. So you can see you have received some diamonds. So over here it says 350 diamonds out of 1000. So we need 650 more diamonds to go. Once we reach 2000 diamonds, then we receive $10 Temu credit. And in order to get more diamonds, you have to basically invite new app users to download the Temu application. And once you get the referrals like that, then you'll be able to flip these cards and earn more diamonds. So that's how you do it. Now if you want to earn Temu credit, you want to go ahead and click on Invite New App Users to Flip. At the bottom you can see it says Copy Link or Copy Code. You can choose any one of it. Let me tap on Copy Code. One referral code will be given to you. Tap on Copy Code. You need to send this referral code to as many people as you can. You can either send it to your friends or your family members. If you have more audience, then it's a bonus for you. Once they accept your invitation and use the code in order to download the application Temu, then you'll receive the diamonds in your account. And once it reaches 2000, then you will be able to cash out the $10 Temu credit. And then you will be able to spend the credit on literally whatever you want inside of Temu. So this is basically how you earn more credits on Temu. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.